All right, it's time to announce Study September 2026 community event. This year, we have over thousands of dollars worth of giveaways to give away during this event. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to join, how to participate, and what is this even all about. So in short, this whole event is about studying with the community and going for those things that we've been putting off in the background. If it's a certification or a class you wanted to take or finishing up something or just learning something new, this is the time to do it with a group of people. Now, on top of that, we do giveaways. So I talked to the vendors that I usually work with and I asked them if they would donate toward this cause to help motivate people to study, and a lot of them agreed. Now, last year there was a good turnout and this year is a good turnout. And I'm going to go over all the vendors that donated as well as all the awesome prizes you can win. But first, let me show you how to enter and how this actually works and where you need to go. So this is hosted within the GhostStrats Discord server. Now I'll leave a link in the description for it, but this is the best spot to have everything hosted. We have amazing staff members and community members that can help you. There's going to be study groups. We have parties set up ready to go. There's a whole dedicated section for Study September. This is also where you can find some resources and materials and for some help if you need it. Now, how do you enter in for these giveaways? So to enter in for these giveaways, all you have to do is react to the giveaway posts that are in the giveaway announcements. Honestly, if you just do the purple heart, it'll make it a little easier for us. But either way, as long as you react to it, there's a bot in the Discord where we can do a spin wheel and we'll be able to pick somebody at random every night for the month of September. Now, there's going to be multiple giveaways some nights. Everything's going to be scheduled out in the events. And when we do these giveaways, we do a live stage event for each one. And you don't have to be present to win. As long as you reacted to that post, you have an opportunity to win. But you do have 24 hours to respond to me or staff. And if you don't respond within the right time, we have to draw again the next day during that day's scheduled giveaway. But that winner needs to be present during that live stream. This is going to be the best way to keep everything flowing. And if you do win, it'll be nice to hear a little bit about your story, what you're studying. So just post in the Study September chat. Just let us know what you're studying, and it'll be really nice to see what you're learning. Now, it's not a requirement, but it'll be nice. I'm asking. Now, to help keep track of all the giveaways, I created a Proton spreadsheet showing all the giveaways and what dates that they're going to be announced and who accepted the giveaway or people that didn't accept it, who was a secondary winner. So to help keep everything organized and transparent, everybody has access to see it, and the staff members have access to edit it to help me keep track of things that are going on. Now, the way I have these giveaways set up, that the vendors should be handling 90% all the shipping stuff, so I shouldn't be asking for any addresses. The staff shouldn't be asking you for any addresses. So the vendors will be handling shipping. So 99% of them agreed to pay for shipping as well. Depending on the prize you win, we'll explain what you need to do. Now let's go over some of the prizes. So shout out to Darren and Hack5 for donating yet again the grand prizes for this event. They donated the grand prizes for last year, and they're donating for this year as well. We have a $100 gift card, a $200 gift card, and a $300 gift card to Hack5. They're also going to be donating 3 DuckyScript online courses as well as 3 Payload Studio Pro licenses. Thanks to the Biscuit Shop and Hedge for donating a Biscuit Pro for this event. Shark Tech will be donating 2 BLEShark Nanos. LilyGo will be donating 5 TMBed CC1101 Pluses. Meshtastic is going to be donating 2 N37Es and 2 W12. Spec5 is donated a Mesh Term and a Mini Trekker MK2. I'm going to be donating a shirt and a mouse pad from my store. NetSec is donating 4 $57 gift cards for any digital asset on their website. Seed Studio is donating 2 Mesh Tracker X1s and 10 Xiao ESP32 Meshtastic kits. Ice Whale Technologies is donating 1 Zimba 2 832. Now, there are going to be other unscheduled giveaways throughout the month as well. There could be digital scavenger hunts and some fun things that we can do to win some prizes, but those are the main prizes and those are all scheduled. Thank you to all the vendors that donated toward this cause. It's really going to help people and motivate them to study this month. Now, the first week of giveaways are live. On September 1st, we're going to be giving away the $100 gift card to Hack5, and then throughout the week we have some other things planned. Everything is scheduled, and you can see it all within the Discord events. In Discord, you'll see rule documentation as well as the winner tracker, so definitely go check those out. And that's pretty much it. I look forward to this year. We have a lot of great giveaways. I think we're going to learn a lot together, and I just wanted to thank all of you for making this possible. If it wasn't for your support, I mean, we're closing in on almost 250,000 subscribers at this point. If it wasn't for that support, I wouldn't be able to do stuff like this, and I just appreciate each and every one of you. Again, if you don't win a prize, it's okay. You still win. You learned something. You took the time to better yourself and to mingle with people that are also learning. And for at least 1 month, you replace doomscrolling with actual progress. Good luck to you all. I look forward to learning with you. And as always, remember, safety is an illusion.